Hi friends, I am Harmeet Singh and today for Drishti channel I want to ask you, do you want to be a rich person? If yes, then please watch this video until end, as I am going to tell you the basic methods and techniques which if you will implement in your life, then I am sure that you will be a rich person. Let me explain to you these techniques. Number one, the first basic step to become a rich you have to take is you have to save at least 10% of your monthly earnings. For this, you can open a saving account, new saving account in the same bank where you are already having your salary account, your professional account, or your business account. And then give to your bank standing instruction that out of your salary account every month 10% of your earnings must be transferred to your this new account. If you have a business account, then try to get 10% transferred to this account of your average monthly income. This account you should keep always secret. Don't tell about this account even to your spouse, and never spend from this account. Don't take any debit card against this account. Now, second step, you have to make monthly budget. If you will not make budget for your next month in advance, then you will never be able to meet all your expenses in your 90% earnings. First, make list of all your expenses. Focus on necessities, then on comforts, and always try to avoid your desires and luxuries. While making this budget, you should take you should take in confidence your family also. You should consult with them, and you should include all their expenses also in this budget. If you will not do this, then your budget will fail. If you want format of the budget, then please write in comment box and give your email ID. I will send you. After making this budget, you have to stick to your budget in each circumstances, in every situation. Don't avoid that. Always be careful in that. Only in emergencies you can go this way or that way. Otherwise, always 100% stick to your budget. Then number third. Now you have to make arrangements so that your accumulated savings can work for you and can earn for you. You have to make your savings, you have to use them as a hen. you have to make arrangements that they can give you eggs. And while you get eggs, you don't have to eat those eggs. Try to convert those eggs also in hen. And then again groom the hen and take the eggs from that hen also. And so on. There are many options for investments. You can choose any of that. Like you can invest in a metal like silver or gold. You can buy the shares or debentures of the companies, or you can invest in real estate, or you can invest in your friends' companies. You can have fixed deposits in the banks. But be careful. Don't put your all eggs in one basket. Always invest your savings in different ventures and make a balanced profile for yourself. Now, the fourth step. You have to protect and safeguard your savings. Do not tempt to spend it or give it to your friends or relatives in need. This money is only for investment. Remember that. And while investing, you have to assess the risk factor very carefully. You have to be very sure that your money is in safe hands. Don't be greedy. Don't go for higher returns. Always make sure that your money is safe and you are also earning something from that. Now, fifth step. You should always target to have your own home. If you have accumulated enough, then go for it and buy it. If not, then even you can buy your home on installments. You can pay the down payments with your accumulated savings, and the installments you should pay from your 90% monthly earnings, because the rent also you were paying from that. But be sure your monthly installment should never be more than 25% of your monthly earnings. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you. Now your budget will be tight and you have to sacrifice some of your desires, your luxuries. But the satisfaction and happiness of having your home will be far greater than that. Now, number 6. We cannot afford to be unguarded, to be unprotected. For that reason, you have to make provisions for your old age and for unforeseen future. For that reason, you can buy health insurances, life insurances, and you should also buy some education insurance, so that whenever your child needs money for higher education, then you can provide that. Number 7, you should always try to increase your ability to earn. If you are in service, you are doing some job, Then you should try to take some extra skills so that you will be promoted. If you are a businessman, then always try to spend, try to invest in more ventures, and always try to increase your income. It will be better if you always set some target, some financial target for the year, and make all efforts to achieve that. Those targets should be viable and achievable. And every year you can increase those targets. But if you will not set your targets, then it will be difficult for you to be a rich person. Number 8, you should never avoid to pay your debts in time. If you don't pay your debts in time, then you lose your credibility, you lose your respect, and even you lose your good luck also. In extreme unfavorable conditions also, make provision to pay your debts. You should pay at least 20% of your earnings for clearing your debts. That is very, very important. Now, the 9th step. Life is always giving opportunities to everyone, but you should always be prepared to grab them. Whenever you get the opportunity, you should take action, because luck always favors the man of action. You should always be prepared to grab the opportunity. You should take the right decisions at right time. Then only you can attain richness. Now, my dear friends, these are the 9 steps you have to take if you want to reach in your life. Please understand, there is no shortcuts in life. Persistence of efforts is the only key to success. I wish you best of luck. And if you have liked my video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.